Water's been freaking out. Let me remove the sugar.
No, we'll just put it right over here, out of the way, and we'll see what's going on. Oh, this looks good.
We applied extra beeswax to.
Smart for the plastic. Yeah, you need that. Yeah. That's good. Now this, the first year, they're good gluers.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at that.
I don't know what to do with them.
Let's see.
If you want me to
Yeah,
lift, I can lift.
I'm gonna put that over there. That's to go.
I'll take it.
Good.
Got it?
I got
Okay.
it. Yep. Okay.
That's why I want to go to 8.
Yeah, they're heavy. No, you're doing a great job.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay. These are good and heavy. Come
Okay.
take a feel. Grab a hold.
Oh, I can barely do it.
That's right. Grab a hold of that bottom
Okay.
and grab a hold right
This
here.
one.
Hand
Okay, and lift the both
lift
of them?
up.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know they're heavy. Yeah, I can't do it.
That's great.
Okay.
That is wonderful. That is absolutely ready for winter. It's a little bit early yet, and they may eat some up.
Right.
But for right now, that is great. You are doing a fantastic job.
And that's why we didn't go looking for the cream for a period of time, because we just was too.
Yeah,
Too many and
too
heavy.
damn heavy. Yeah, yeah.
I found her in the bottom box last time.
Yeah, so now we can go to 9 here,
Okay.
and we can move one of these full ones, because I see that end one is empty.
Okay.
So when you have 10, it makes it a little bit more of a pain in the
Right.
butt to get them out.
One of your shallows might be. That might be one of the shallows we got from you.
Okay.
I think we'll find out. You want to pull the frame tool?
Yeah, that's
We gotta get this nipples coming out.
Yeah, that's what we gotta get what he told us to get. The hamster stuff.
beautiful.
Ooh.
That is nice.
Almost
Now,
off.
you see, you didn't get enough wax in here, so that's why they're building it kind
Oh,
of funny.
wow.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that all, honey?
Well, it's sugar, yeah.
Yeah,
Mostly.
sugar water process, you can feel how heavy it is there. Got it?
Oh, wow.
Okay with it?
Yeah, I'm great.
Yeah.
Go ahead, fill it like
Oh. Oh, yeah, that is heavy.
Good, so lean it up against the
It's not on the center
box
of
there. And then let's get in here and take a look, see what's going on.
This smoke is amazing.
Yeah, it burns a little bit fast,
Right.
but
It's thick.
It works pretty well. You know, you can use lots of things. In the old days when there used to be farms,
Right.
what they used to always use was baling twine. Now the baling twine's all plastic, and if it's
Wow.
not plastic, it's all covered with fungicides and stuff,
Yes.
so you can't use that anymore. And the other thing that works really well is pine needles.
Oh, yeah. Dry.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look. Harvey. Harvey, look.
Yeah, okay. So, Mr. Howard? Hello? Howard? How you doing?
So what you got here is some brood along the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
You can see that little bit. Let's see. Put your finger out, Lester. Yeah. So right there, that's the worker brood,
Okay.
and over here, that's drone brood. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So they pretty much, and here on the same thing on the other side, you see the
Okay.
drone there,
And then,
worker there.
okay,
Yeah.
so the drones had the dome top.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll just gently lean this up here so that we don't crush too many bees. Okay, so most of the brood is going to be down below because that's packed. There's just a tiny amount of brood there.
Okay.
So,
All right, and we did find her down below last time.
yeah, yeah. So what we got to be careful of is swarming.
Okay.
They may be too crowded already, so we
Okay.
gotta be careful about that.
So can we remove the queen separator, being we don't plan on harvesting anything this year?
No, because honey is the queen of screw already,
Okay.
so you don't need it actually.
All right.
Because she's not, that top is full of honey.
Right.
Yeah.
We'll help him.
Want me to move it? I can move it.
Oh, I gotta get my weightlifting in.